It's been a while since I've been sat here, hasn't it? Dust the cobwebs off a little bit, and today I'm finally getting round to talking about my long-term review on the Insta360 Go2. So let's get into that video. Hey guys, so welcome to the video. I've been away, I'm back now, back in the driver's seat, so I've got loads of new videos coming soon, but something which I've been working on for a while by getting loads of different clips when I've been out and about all over the country is by using this thing, the Insta Go2 camera. Now this has been out for a while now. When it first came out, you saw all the reviews, the unboxings, people using this. And it had good and bad points, and it's got better in time. So I'm going to be going through today, show you some clips of different footage that I've been able to capture using this, and just why this is my favourite action camera. And the main reason, similar to like the Mini 2 drones, is because it's so portable, so easy to use. This is your all-in-one camera. You could use this for vlogging, for taking footage when you're out and about, and look how small it is. If we compare it to some Apple AirPods, the actual difference isn't that much. So this is why it's so convenient. But that's not the best thing. It's the accessories that also come with this product. So when you get the Go2 in the box, it comes with some accessories already included. So you don't have to go out and buy some more to get these creative shots. And my favorite one by far is this, and this is the magnetic neck strap. So this is absolutely brilliant. I use this so many times for some creative images and videos using this. So when you've got this necklace on, you can take the Insta360 out, and then you can either place it straight over your t-shirt like this and it's on instantly, or what I tend to do is you put the necklace underneath a jacket or a t-shirt, and then you can just place the Insta360 on and it's gone there. Away you go. You're completely ready to get hands-free footage. I like to go for a bit of a higher look. So if you just pull the magnet up a little bit on here, and that's really comfortable. Do I look cool? I know I don't, but it comes with different stickers as well. You can get stickers on their website, put these on. I'm not bothered with it. I embrace the silliness of using this, but the footage you can get from this is more than worth it. We played football recently and I was able to get that first person view using this. It's brilliant. Go jogging, you got all your hands in the action as well, and you're completely hands free. So this as a free accessory is brilliant. It's also comfortable to wear, so when I go out and I know I'm going to be taking this with me, I just keep this necklace on all the time, and then it's just ready. If I see something and I go, right, I want to just put it onto my actual chest and use the chest mount, take this out, put it on here, and I'm ready to go. It also comes with a baseball clip as well, and we got some creative shots of this. I'm going to put some of these on the screen now. So by using this clip onto a back of a cap or the front, you can get a nice top-down shot. So here my daughter is on her skateboard, and we're able then to use this view to capture some shots here. And it's really great to see that these come included in the box as well. And this is an accessory which doesn't come with the box, but it's only about $15–20 dollars to pick this up. And this is the Insta360 selfie stick. Now this extends really long all the way out here. So from this, you can, on the top of it, you can connect your Insta360, and then what I like to do is I put this behind me, so as I'm walking you can get a nice rear shot as you're walking or running, and it's a really good, really lightweight stick. This is not heavy in the slightest. I forget the actual weight of this, but it is so lightweight. Folds down really neat. Put it in your bag. You could put this in your pocket. Great, you've got everything you need. What's really great about this case is because of the legs on the bottom of it, as you can see here, you've now got your own little mini tripod. So the legs fold out on the back, and then you can have it placed in position like this, press record, and then you could, if you're using this for vlogging, you could just put that on a table and talk directly into it. So it's great that these little integrated legs just fold out, and then you've got your own mini tripod there. If it goes back in place, yeah, there you go. What else is great about this case that I love? Well, not only does it charge the actual camera, so you get about an hour and a half's actual battery life, maybe a little bit more, about an hour and maybe 50 minutes out of this I've found, and that's using the Pro Mode video, which we'll talk about in a second. So this charges the actual camera, so you can use this camera on its own when it's like, say, attached to your magnet, or if you're just holding it like this, and you'll get about 30 minutes of recording time from this. Once this starts to go flat or you get a warning, then you can put it back in here and it just clips in magnetic, and then it'll start to charge it for you. This is USB-C, so it charges really fast as well. And most of the time I have a power bank with me, so I can get at least an hour and a half's worth of footage using this. And then if you say having some lunch or coffee or something, put this into a power bank and it charges super fast. And then you can get nearly a full day's worth of footage from this. What I also love about this remote, and this is really unique, is because this is a little magnet on the back of it, so as we've seen, you can attach this to anything magnetic. But this serves as a remote control as well. So there was an instance where, several instances actually, but I had this attached to a goalpost. So I just connected this to a goalpost. Just imagine that's a goalpost there. All right, and then this now is your remote control. So you can be quite far away and then use this as a Bluetooth remote. So just when you hit record on here, that will then start to record. You can also use this to change different modes. So you can put it into photo mode, pro mode, and then you can stop and start recording. And you can also see on this screen how long you've been recording for. So you can use this as well to start recording. You can customize this to however you want. So I've got it set to when I press this button once, it will start recording in pro mode. And if I double click it, it will go into a time lapse, and 3 clicks, it will go to a photo. So you can customize that all you want. You don't need a memory card for this. This is good and bad. So it comes to about 30 gigabytes of storage in here. That does fill up fairly quick, but what you can do is you can take your phone, and then it does use the Go2 Insta app, and then you can record the footage on the go through Wi-Fi and then store it on your phone. So if you are worried that you're only going to get 30 gigabytes out of this, once it's maybe a quarter or half full, just transfer them to your actual phone or your computer or something, and then you can delete this and carry on. So now we've talked about the features, the remote control, the actual camera. I mean, just look at it. Look how small that is. You know, the possibilities of what you could do with this thing are endless. The magnetic clip on the back of it is brilliant. And this is what sets it apart and why it's different to GoPro or Osmo Action. And then the size as well. I'm not saying GoPros are large, because they're not, but just having something like this, if all you need, put it in your pocket and you're off, away you go. So let's look back over the last few months now. I've put some clips together, I'll talk over them, and then I'll show you just some of the different scenarios you can get with this. Just finally, this is waterproof as well, so you can take this in the water, take it underwater, no problem at all. This isn't waterproof, so give this a bit of a wipe down before you put it back in the case. But we've used this jumping in pools, and it's absolutely fine and great fun as well. The quality is spot on. And then what we'll do is, when you've seen these clips, we'll go then outside. I'm going to show you what it's like outside as well from a vlogging point of view, and also what that audio is like. So here we are walking around Costco, and I've got my Insta360 attached to that magnetic neck strap which we talked about before. And this is brilliant. Not only is this discreet, but it's a lot of fun, isn't it? I'm able to walk around, capture some footage here. Maybe there's something you want to buy and you forget about it and you can look back later. But if you just look around, no one is noticing that I've got some camera strapped to me. You know, it's really nice. I'm completely hands-free, and this is what's great about that neck mount. Using the tripod legs as well, this is a great B cam to take with you to get those extra angles and shots. So here I'm able to just put it just to the side of the Air 2S as it takes off, and we can see this nice B-roll shot as the drone is just hovering in place, and then it will fly off to the distance. And this is what's great about this as well, that it's so small. You can put this into areas without, maybe like your phone might not be able to fit, or without taking some big gimbals or stands. This just has them tripod legs, and it's great. It also comes with another little attachment as well in the box, and this has a sticky base, so I stuck this on top of the DJI Mini 2. You can mount this to anything, just wipe it down and you can keep sticking it on. You could use this in a car, stuck to a car windscreen, and this was a great shot as well, using it on the DJI Mini 2. Here is another example using that neck magnet as well. My daughter's here got the magnet just over her clothing, because you can see here there is a bit of shake when using it like this. But again, you get a brilliant hands-free image. Would you be able to do this using a GoPro? Would you need a chest mount on there as well? What a phone, it would be really hard to do. So to have that ability to be able to completely hands-free is fantastic. Here's an example using the Go2 camera as a magnetic mount. So I've just got the Go2 camera here. I've just stuck it to this metal pole and you get this great actual shot here just by clipping it on. I mean, it's so straightforward and fun to use, and that's what's great about it. So this is a fun camera and it's unique as well. Being able to just mount it to say this goalpost here is brilliant. So it's so small you can use a tripod legs or by using that magnetic mount. It's unique and versatile, but in such a small package like this. It folds down really easily and it pops out to be this really unique and cute camera. It's a bag full of fun. In this shot here, we just had it on the ground, put it into pro mode and then got a nice time lapse while we played some football. You can also change the different angles as well really easily using all those accessories it comes with. So now for that FPV look, I've got it mounted around me on that neck strap, and then it also has a horizon lock. So in pro mode you won't get any wonky footage because it locks at horizon. So by utilising the different accessories, we're able to get FPV shots, top-down shots and from behind shots. It's brilliant. In Pro mode as well, it also makes use of the flow state stabilization, which is brilliant. I've never seen an actual camera to have stability as good as this. I use this a lot for YouTube videos. I use it as a second camera. I use it to set different angles up when I was going past on a scooter, and it's brilliant and so easy to use. I've used this for videos which I've not even released yet to get brilliant angles and footage, and just look how smooth this footage is with it hanging out the window at 60 miles an hour. It is great. I highly recommend it. But what about that workflow? So on the app, you've got the live view mode where you can change the settings itself, or you can use the Go2 app as well as an editor. It gives you some nice little easy, intermediate and hard little editing techniques. You can edit all from your phone, or you can use an iPad or a tablet or an actual desktop. So there is lots of different ways of how you can edit on your mobile as well, which is great. When on the app, you can go to album and that will take you to everything that you've been filming on the phone, and then you can export it direct onto your phone, or you can edit it through this app. If you're using Pro Video, it does take a bit longer to export. Some of those file sizes are larger, but the quality is going to be better. You're going to have that stability is going to be increased, and also the horizon lock as well. So I do use Pro Video more just to be able to get that higher, better quality, but Pro Mode will take longer to download it onto your phone. What I tend to do is I just connect it direct up to my laptop, use the included wire, and then I can transfer all the files then to the Go2 Studio. When outside, it's perfect for a vlogging camera. It's really small, but also it's discreet as well. So nobody's going to be looking at you like you've got 10 heads, because you've got some huge camera with 15 different microphones out of it, a gimbal and everything else. This is so small. It's everything you could need for vlogging. You can use different things which are near you. So I've got it here attached to my petrol cap. So easy as that, it's now attached to my car, and I've got my own tripod holding this in place. So I'm completely hands-free and I can talk to this. We have got a bit of wind here today as well. So what do you think about this audio? I don't think it's that bad as well. I keep wind reduction off because that sometimes just messes up the audio completely. And this is in the normal color profile. I think the colors direct out of this are pretty good. Or you can also use different things. So here I'm just using the tripod legs, and I've got it mounted on the actual tree, and I can use that as my own portable tripod. So it's great, it's unique, and you've just got to be creative when you're using a device like this. Another great thing about this is that you don't have to hold this really far out. Because of the wide field of view on this camera, this super wide look, you don't have to have your arm really stretched out like you do on other vlogging cameras. So I've now switched over to Pro Video mode. It's in the same video frame rate, but now the footage should be even more stable. I'm walking around about the same speed, same location, but you can use this mode if you want as well, and then it is really stable. Someone has just started drilling over there, so I hope it's worked. So this is great now. Now I've got it laid flat and I've got the controller in my hand. So this is not only a tripod to mount this, but you can use this as your portable remote control. All right, so I've now gone back in the car because that drilling noise was driving me insane. But I hope you get a good idea of what it was like outside. And in an indoor environment now, like in a car, the audio is even better. So it's a great device and I highly recommend it. So if you like this video, go and check it out. I'll link in the description below. But I love using this. The quality isn't amazing, but it is good enough. The audio, same as well. It's good enough. It's a great portable camera, something which I use a lot, and it's always there with me in my kit bag. So take care, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you all soon. Bye bye.